Hello, this is a presentation on DepLife and how this technological advancement helps expand law enforcement efficiency. The purpose of this presentation is to secure a topic for Project 6. I am Annabella Gagnon, an English major.
I'm Emma Crispo, and I'm still undecided.
My name is Zoe Salim, and I'm a political science major.
Okay, so this is our roadmap for this presentation. We will start with a quick background of current radar technologies used by law enforcement, to then move to an introduction about DepLife and its innovative qualities. After that, we'll talk about its current applications for law enforcement and the importance of its revolutionary approach to movement detection. We'll end this presentation with the plan of action for our Project 6 research.
All right, looking at the background of the technology currently used, traditional object radar used in law enforcement is usually a frequency modulated continuous wave radar, or better known as an FMCW radar. This technology works within a narrow frequency band, which means it's good for measuring distance and speed. Because of this, it's currently the standard for police speed guns and current surveillance tools. But this narrow bandwidth also limits how much detail the radar can capture. FMCW systems usually can't create clear images of a scene, and they struggle to detect the shape or precise location of a person or object, especially behind barriers. Another challenge is that these radars often require higher power levels to maintain accuracy, especially at longer distances. Even when applied to a concealed weapon detection research, the smallest and most accurate FMCW systems can only scan effectively at close range and offer limited resolution. And so, looking at the technology that we're proposing today, DepLife is an emerging IRUWB radar system, which stands for Impulse Radio Ultra Bandwidth. This type of radar is designed to send out extremely short radio pulses over a very wide frequency range, which lets it capture really precise reflections. What makes DepLife especially significant is its ability to scan through walls. Unlike traditional radar, which can be blocked or distorted by structures, the DepLife technology used penetrates common building materials like drywall, wood, and brick. This allows the system to detect the presence, location, and movement of people on the other side of a barrier without needing physical access. It also has an impressive range of up to 30 feet from a single device, and once the radar has collected its data, it converts it into a color-coded bird's-eye map. It shows where individuals are in real time and their movements. This visual interface makes the technology easy to interpret for everyone. Another important part of this technology is its continued support and legitimacy. DepLife's own development has been previously funded by the Department of Homeland Security Science and Technology Directorate, which signals real federal interest in its potential uses.
So the question that comes to mind is, why is this technology important? Well, first of all, IRUWB radars provide accuracy and resolution, enabling precise measurement of distance, position, and velocity. It can distinguish between closely spaced objects, making it suitable for applications where precision is crucial. When we think about law enforcement, it becomes clear how this technology would increase awareness of agents at work, affecting their approach to delicate situations such as breaching operations and hostage detention. Its immunity to interference would provide constant support during highly dangerous actions, increasing agent safety, shortening the amount of time and resources, and potentially reducing fatalities. This could be impactful also in cases of building fires, when first responders must verify the presence of people in a room, and due to smoke and flames, their visual could be compromised. Another very interesting application could be security and surveillance.
A plan of action for this project will be looking at research already done on DepLife and using the information from those sources to compile questions for a survey. The survey will be directed to both police officers as well as the general public, asking them questions along the lines of if they think DepLife is a good investment and their opinions on the evolving technology used in law enforcement. We will also look at beta test module research already done and add that data into our final opinion in order to see what works and what needs to be changed. The role and responsibilities for this project will be I as the file manager and scribe, Emma as the meeting scheduler and facilitator, and Zoya as the tech manager.
And here is a short list of our sources.